Welcome to a quick showdown between Apache Nifi and Apache Spark. Today we'll break down what each tool does, compare them, and help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's dive in. Apache Nifi is a data flow management tool built for real-time data ingestion and routing. Its user-friendly web-based interface lets you design data pipelines with drag-and-drop ease. Nifi shines in moving data between systems, handling streaming data, and ensuring guaranteed delivery with features like data provenance and back pressure. It's perfect for ETL tasks and integrating diverse data sources like IoT devices and APIs. It's a distributed computing framework that excels at batch and real-time processing, leveraging in-memory computing for lightning-fast performance. With APIs in Python, Scala, and Java, Spark is ideal for complex data transformations, machine learning, and big data analytics using tools like Spark SQL and mlib. Now let's compare. Nifi focuses on data flow management, making it easy for non-coders to build real-time pipelines. It's less suited for heavy analytics or large-scale processing. Spark, on the other hand, is built for big data analytics and complex computations, but requires coding skills and a steeper learning curve. Here's the breakdown. For use case, Nifi for real-time ingestion and ETL, Spark for analytics and machine learning. For performance, Spark's in-memory processing is faster for big data, and Nifi is optimized for data routing. When it comes to scalability, both scale well, but Spark handles massive data sets better. Which is better? Use Nifi for seamless data movement and ETL, especially if you want a visual tool, and choose Spark for heavy-duty analytics or big data processing. They're even better together. Nifi for ingestion and Spark for crunching. That's it, guys. Nifi and Spark are both awesome, just for different jobs. Need more details? Check the chart below or comment your questions. Like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.